the exact same one?
I told you I'm gonna get Max.
Oh wait, they're different. Look. One has a tongue hanging out and one doesn't.
Welcome back to the smaller half. So today we got these candy dispensers
from Secret Life of Pets 2, one of the best movies. Actually, I like the first one better, but this is good.
Okay, I think I'm gonna open this one first.
Okay, they're candy dispensers. It's by Rad's Twists.
And there's 3 in 1. So there's a poster, candy, and dispenser.
And it's yeah, you get 3. So there's 6 different characters you can get. We bought 6 of them, so we're gonna each open 3. Kynlee gets 3, and Dad gets 3, and we're gonna see which characters we get.
I already opened mine.
All right, well, who'd you get?
Max.
All right.
Big stuff today, Gidget. I got big plans. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna wait for Katie to come back.
All right, Max, the main character. And what's in it?
Just that.
What? It says a candy dispenser. Oh, does the candy come with it? So you put the candy inside there.
Ooh, it shows you all the things you can get.
And then, so then you fill.
Ooh, there's a mystery character.
Okay, so the candy's separate, and then you have to fill it in on your own. As you can see, you pour them in. Let's give it a shot.
And then, he's holding his leash.
Let's see. Whoa. Yeah, so you fill it up with the candy. Whoa, they give you more candy than even fits in there. So that's good.
And then you open it? I don't know.
Yeah, and then it's all, so you put his head back on. So the first one Kynlee got was Max. Max, you got any big plans today?
Here, I'm going to try one of these candies.
I'm going to sit here and I'm going to wait for Katie to come home. What do you think? Are they good?
Kind of.
Okay, for mine, I got, ooh, the cat. What's her name?
Chloe.
Chloe the cat. Ding, ding, ding. She's the one with the attitude. Alright, so it's the same thing. Candy dispenser. And like I said, they give you more than one thing. So you could get 2 of these and fill up, or you could get 1 bag to fill up 2 characters. So Kynlee got Max. And then what else is in there? A poster of Chloe. Don't care. Alright, so Kynlee got Max and I got Chloe.
Okay.
Who's gonna be next?
I got Max.
Max again.
Hey, Maxie, let's say we go for a walk.
Wow, you got the same guy. Is it the exact same one?
I told you I'm gonna get Max.
Oh wait, they're different. Look. One has a tongue hanging out and one doesn't. I read on the back, it says there's a rare. Yeah, see, look, the one with the tongue is limited edition. So she got the limited edition Max. All right, Kynlee. That means that's worth extra moolah. They kind of taste like runts, huh? Oh, it looks like I got Max too. Another Max.
That's limited edition.
Oh, nice. We got 2 limited edition Maxes with the tongue. So.
Oh, it's sweet maple.
Sweet maple?
Yeah, it says it at the top.
So the limited edition Max poster says, best friend.
Yeah, I got that one too.
But your old one says,
outside.
Let's take it outside. So they are 2 different Maxes. All right, your last one. So we got 3 Maxes and 1 Chloe. That kind of shows you Max is the most popular guy.
Wait. What?
I got 1
I
left.
got 4.
No, you only have one left.
Maybe yours will go to mine. Let's see. I got the rabbit!
All right. What's his name?
He is,
Snowball? Snowball.
Yeah, I'm gonna be the first bunny with washboard abs.
Good job. All right.
Oh, you got the secret character.
Chloe's the secret character? Okay, and then who did I get?
Oh, this is yours.
Gidget. She's the dog that loves Max.
Let's see.
So who can kick some major butt. And Gidget's poster. Yes, I am this adorable. Okay, what does his poster say? What does Snowball say?
It says, being super comes nature to me. What?
Comes natural.
Comes natural to
Being
me.
super comes natural.
If you ever saw Secret Life of Pets 2, he has this little costume.
Yeah, he becomes a superhero. The lineup is Snowball. And
His ears are like
Chloe.
different.
Don't care. And Max limited edition.
2 Max's limited edition.
We got Gidget, who's in love with Max. And then regular Max. So I think we actually got all the ones on the list.
Yeah.
Everyone on the list, even the secret character.
Yep.
Which is right there. Anyways, there you go. These are made by Radz.
Doesn't it say
Twists.
Reeds? No, it says Radz.
R-A-D-Z. And they're little candy dispensers. They make almost all the movies, I think. Any of the popular movies, they do a candy for it. So you get the little poster, the candies, and these cool little dispenser guys. All right, cool. Good job, Kynlee. We got them. Everybody say, what do
Bye.
you say?
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Max.